Okay, last lesson of chapter 2. We're going to be talking about graphing in 4 quadrants. So this lesson is a lot of review from last chapter, so it should be pretty quick. We're not going to be really introducing a whole lot because we already did graphing. So if we read through this, the x-axis and the y-axis separate the coordinate plane into 4 regions called the quadrants. The quadrants are named 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, you must use your Roman numerals. So if we look at our graph, first thing we want to do is label. So remember, we make a C to help us remember. So if we start with quadrant 1, then go ahead and fill in your signs. We didn't talk about our signs a lot last chapter. So quadrant 1, our x value is positive, our y value is positive. Moving right around quadrant 2, x value is negative, y value is positive. In quadrant 3, x and y values are both negative. And quadrant 4, x value is positive, y value is negative. Now, so we'll start here. The axis and the points on the axis are not located in any quadrant. So any point that would fall on your x-axis or your y-axis, if we asked you to label the location, you would have to say the axis, not a quadrant. They are not in the quadrants, they are breaking up the quadrants. Alright, so bottom of your page. Use the coordinate plane to find the distance between point E and point C. So first off, we need to find point E and point C. So right here is C, right here is E. You'll notice that they are in a vertical line. So if they are vertical or horizontal, all you have to do is count. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are 5 units apart, or the distance is 5 units. All right, and last up, identify the points on the coordinate plane in problem number 6, which is this graph, that are located in quadrant 4. So first off, quadrant 4, right here. So our points in quadrant 4, we have B, and we have F. We do not include G or A because those are on our axes. A is on the x-axis. And then point G is on the y-axis. So they are not in any of the quadrants. Okay? That is all for this section. And we are not going to have you do it you try now because, again, this was all review. All right, that's the end of this chapter.